I just wanted to make art, and I began with that. I did not think about too much, honestly.
From one of the country's most successful artists, an extraordinary confession.
Whatever I found next to me, front of me, I get attracted to that, and I thought, let's make this is my art.
It centers on objects of everyday life and their relationship with the user.
Food is universal, but who paint about food? Nobody. I paint about food because I like food. And I working for the utensils for over the last 15 years. रही बात लोगों को क्यों पसंद आती है, मेरे ख्याल से they see their own culture and चम्मच. They said कि ये तो मेरे घर का चम्मच है. So they can relate through it.
Subodh went to art college in Patna and came to Delhi in the early 90s, carrying with him the sounds and smells of Bihar, which became an intrinsic part of his work.
I believe that art has to talk about identity first and then international language. So if you look at Subodh's work, they both are there. They go back to his identity, which is the Indian identity, but become immediately international through the common language of food.
From the beginning, Subodh experimented with different mediums which defied traditional notions of art and materials, both ancient and industrial.
Bronze is a very magic material. In the ancient time, was the material that you use for identify gods. And so the transformation of a bicycle or a pot in bronze already means that there is a sacral aspect in the day life that you want to perpetuate, not anymore through somebody above you, but somebody with you and around you.
But whatever he creates, Subodh believes, reflects the ideas of the world he inhabits, in which the common man has a large role to play.
I'm coming from the middle class family. मैं बहुत ऊंची पढ़ाई नहीं की. लोग दून स्कूल जाते हैं, ऑक्सफोर्ड जाते हैं, तो उनका एक सोचने का स्तर जो है बिल्कुल अलग हो जाता है. और मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं कि गलत होता है, लेकिन एक आदमी जो सड़क पे खड़ा है, एक सब्जी बेचने वाला जो आदमी कुछ बातें कर रहा है, उसके अंदर भी एक फिलॉसफी है, उसकी भी एक जुबान है.
Everything is Inside is more than just an anthology of Subodh Gupta's artistic journey. It is also a symbol of someone who took a risk and succeeded in his culture and outside. With cameraman Manoj Thakur, Shikha Trivedi for NDTV.